Welcome. Today, you're going to learn exactly how to stop other people from sharing your Facebook stories. If you ever posted a story and noticed someone repost it to their own, don't worry, there's an easy way to turn that off. Let's jump right into it. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change settings for. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to expand the menu and then tap again on Settings. This will open a list of various controls and preferences for your Facebook account. Next, look for the section called Audience and Visibility. This section manages who can see your profile, posts, and stories. Here, tap on Stories. Once you're inside the story settings, scroll until you find the option that says Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. By default, this option is usually turned on, which means anyone who can see your public story is allowed to share it. To stop that from happening, simply toggle the switch off. When the button changes color or slides to the left, that means the setting is disabled. From now on, no one will be able to share your public Facebook stories to their own stories. And that's it, you're done. Just those few quick steps give you full control over who can share your content and where it's posted. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials that make your social media experience safer and more private. Thanks for watching.